Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change the zoom filter on your iPhone running iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So let me show you how to change the zoom filter. So for this, we first need to enable zoom. So you can go into settings, then tap on accessibility, then you want to tap on zoom and you want to go ahead and enable this feature. Double tap to zoom out. Now you're going to tap on zoom filter here. And here you want to choose any of these zoom filters. So you've got inverted, the colors will be inverted. You've got a grayscale, inverted, and you have low light filter. And that is how to change your zoom filter on your iPhone running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.